Well, here we are. The last ever time I'll visit Poway TV because it's getting demolished. They already tore down the second floor, and we're gonna do the first one tomorrow, maybe. You know, it's amazing how much the owner left behind. They left manuals, parts, TV shells, even some TVs were left behind. It's all going to go to the dump. They also left customers' personal info in here. And also, I think some checks, too. November 2011. It's probably when the place was abandoned. Actually found some old photos here, and I scanned them. So, yeah, that's always nice. Oh, that's cool. They just took it off the door. Old card swipe machine. That's where the employees would work, I assume. God, just look how old some of this stuff is. Ah, this is so cool. That's the 2007 MacBook Air, I believe. So, here we are in another workroom. Gotta be careful where I step. This was storage for all I know. From the old photos I saw, this was just where they would keep the bigger TV sets, like projection TVs and stuff. So that's always nice. There's a very cool neon open sign from the 70s. It's probably destroyed now, which is kind of a bummer. That's an old TV box. No TV inside. Probably can, oh, my knee. That hurt. Ooh, there we go. This is probably a garage for the owner. The owner actually lived right upstairs, but as I said earlier, the upstairs is demolished. Here, I'll just show you quickly. It's actually separated in two parts here. This would just be the storage for the TV repair place right here, and his apartment would have been over there. I was actually inside before it got torn down. It had 2 kitchens, 2 baths, and 2 bedrooms. So yeah. Well, that's all I gotta say about this place. So I guess rest in peace, Poway TV. It opened in 93, I believe. Yeah, I think 1993. And closed in 2011. This building was built in the 70s. And being torn down in 2020. So that's all I gotta say. Thanks for watching.